A lot of people out there have a real problem understanding why you get corrosion on car batteries. The main reason for corrosion is oxygen mixes with off gassing of the battery and causes corrosion. What I've solved is you can see this battery here is 4 years old. I'm replacing it. It's the first time I've had the terminals off in 4 years. You can see there is no corrosion whatsoever on these battery terminals. So I'll tell you how I do it. It's very simple. When I put a new battery on, I wire brush tool the inside of the terminal and the post itself. Then I coat with about a tablespoon of Vaseline on the post, around the post, and anywhere gases could come up through uh, the part where the post connects to the plastic. There may be some kind of gap or something that the Vaseline will fill and prevent gases from coming up and causing corrosion. Also, once I put the terminal on, I put Vaseline in the terminal itself. Then I squeeze it onto the post and tighten it up, snug but not too tight, and just make a small film of Vaseline over the entire connector and post. I do this for both sides of the battery. And this is proof, these pictures here I just took tonight are proof that I don't get any corrosion. And I just thought I'd let some of you people know about that. Okay, thank you.